Welcome to VR Maths by Einstein. Today let us deal with trigonometrical ratios. What is the base for trigonometrical ratios? All of you know what is Pythagoras theorem. And as per the Pythagoras theorem, the square on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is the sum of the squares on the other two sides. Now let us consider a right angle triangle like this. Okay. So this triangle is say ABC, where angle C is 90 degrees or right angle. Now let us consider one of the leg angles. Let this angle be theta. As far as this angle theta is concerned, the side opposite to this theta is AC, and other than the hypotenuse, the side opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse, and BC is the adjacent side. So AC is the opposite side as far as this angle theta is concerned, and BC is adjacent side. Okay. Now we are relating any two of these three sides. What are they? Hypotenuse, opposite side, and adjacent side. What are all the possible ratios? Taking two at a time. Now let us consider the ratio opposite side AC by hypotenuse AB. This is one ratio, and the reciprocal of this one is another ratio. So AB by AC, it is another ratio. And taking the adjacent side and hypotenuse, we are having two ratios. First one, adjacent side BC by hypotenuse AB, and the reciprocal of this ratio, that is AB by BC, that is the reciprocal of this ratio. And third one primarily will be opposite side by adjacent side. So AC by BC, and the reciprocal is BC by AC. So these are all the possible ratios, taking two at a time. Whereas the sides are hypotenuse, opposite side, and adjacent side as far as this angle theta is concerned. Now this ratio AC by AB is opposite side by hypotenuse, and this ratio is called sin theta. SINE theta, but we will write as SIN theta, and we call it as sin theta. Sin without theta is meaningless, and the reciprocal of this sin theta is cosecant theta. COSEC, cosecant theta. Okay, and this adjacent side BC by hypotenuse, this is called cosine theta, that is cos theta. So we call it as cos theta, and the reciprocal of this cos theta is secant theta, SEC theta, secant theta, and this ratio opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan theta, tangent, tan theta, and the opposite is cotangent or cot theta. So these are all the various possible ratios of these three sides, taking two at a time. Okay. Now we shall revise once again. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. And the reciprocal of these ratios, sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta, we call it as cosecant theta. Cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta, we call it as secant theta. Tan theta, reciprocal of tan theta, we call it as cot theta. Okay. Now this cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta because reciprocal of sin theta. So we call it as, we can write as 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. or we can write 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, so cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. Okay, so these are all the various trigonometrical ratios, and using this Pythagoras theorem we can find out certain important identities related to sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay, for example, let us consider right angle triangle like this. This 90 degree right there is I say it is PQR. If any two sides are known, the third side can be found out using Pythagoras theorem. Suppose this opposite side is 3 units and adjacent side is 4 units. What is its PQ? Square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared. So root of 25. So it will be equal to 5. Is it not? So any two sides of a rectangle triangle is given. You can find out the third side using Pythagoras theorem. Now let us consider one of these acute angles. We have got two acute angles, and this acute angle is say theta. Now you write sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse, 3 by 5. Cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse, 4 by 3. Tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side, 3 by 4. So we have written sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Because in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. That longest side is given in the denominator. Therefore, sin theta value will be always less than 1. And cos theta value will also be less than 1. So 4 by 5. So sin theta and cos theta will be less than 1 only. Tan theta it may be any other way. It may be less than 1 or greater than 1 or equal to 1 another. Okay, these are all the various ratios. If sin theta is 3 by 5, what is cosecant theta? 5 by 3, that's all. That is the reciprocal of sin theta. And secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is 5 by 4. Tan theta, reciprocal will be cot theta. Cot theta is equal to what is to be written? 4 by 3. So as far as this right angle triangle is concerned, this angle PQR is theta. Then we have written the various trigonometrical ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, then cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. So these are all the essential trigonometrical ratios. And regarding this relationship between various ratios, we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.